What's up guys, it's Avi from DUCKCHAR, and today we're making duck fat roasted potatoes. The reason we're cooking potatoes with DUCKCHAR duck fat is because duck fat makes foods taste like a richer version of themselves, and it adds a crispy finish to foods that need it. So potatoes are a perfect fit for this cooking oil. Before we get started, we've got to choose the potato we're going to use. Waxy potatoes are really good for mashing, and starchy potatoes are really good for frying. We're actually going to choose a yellow potato because it kind of falls in the middle. It's going to allow us to get a nice crispy finish on the outside thanks to some starchiness, and a really smooth creamy finish on the inside thanks to some waxiness. And that's really what we're shooting for with duck fat roasted potatoes. We want to have that texture contrast of crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Step one, it's time to prep the potatoes. Cut them into pieces not too small, and then parboil them for about 7 minutes. We parboil because that helps to ensure that we get a nice creamy finish after fully roasting them, and we'll achieve that really delicious texture contrast of crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. After boiling the potatoes, we'll toss them with DUCKCHAR duck fat, salt, and pepper. Then we're gonna preheat the oven to 425 and spread out the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, one of the most important things when you're roasting potatoes is to have enough space in between each potato, because if they're too close, you'll start to steam them and they won't become crispy, or it'll take too long to cook. We'll cook the potatoes in the oven for 25 or 30 minutes, and then for the last 5 minutes, we're gonna crank up the oven all the way to 500 degrees or as high as your oven goes to get a nice crispy finish. After that, these potatoes are ready to serve. As you guys can see, making duck fat roasted potatoes is super easy. If you have any comments or questions, comment below. If you want to learn more about how to cook with DUCKCHAR duck fat, check out some of the links below for more recipes and information. That's it, that's all. We'll see you guys next time. Peace! Where's makeup? Makeup's late again. Where's my stylist? I was supposed to have a different Hawaiian shirt on today. Ugh. This one's nice though. I do like birds of paradise. Okay, I think this is gonna work actually, guys.